Okay. Should have greased them before I installed it, because when you get them installed, you can't get it greased. So that'd probably be like a I greased both ends. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it. There we go. Now we're heading back in the right direction. Put these old safety glasses on here. Put this impact on it. The lowest speed. Check it out. Like I said, we're going to get this thing back on here. Yeah, that's a tight one right there. Caught in between the gas tank, this frame. It's really hard to get to. This is real easy to get. You gotta make sure you take the tire off. Lessen your work. Alright. Gonna finish it up. Hot out here too. It's tight. Oh yeah. It's on there. Got it off of Amazon. DLZ. There's the part number if you see it. For this 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. And this is set right there, see. Alright. So they are different in the positioning of the ends on the link. We got it back on there. It's time to put the tire back on. We through with that. Alright. Thanks for watching. And this is, like I said, for a 2004 Chevy Trailblazer 4x4, the rear end. And the way I did it was to take both wheels off, jack it up, set up on wheel stands, jack stands, and so that you can get the pressure off of these links, you use the jack to up, lower, and raise it to take the pressure off of these so that you can get them in there easy. Alright, this is Hammerman Duke. Thanks for watching once again there. Have a great day.